You filming again?
Yeah.
Well, you don't like being filmed? You trying to sneak up on Dad? You want to hold it? Go and hold it then.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to burn all the branches that I cut the other day from the back of the garden. Wait a second. What does a fire need, Luna?
Wood, oxygen, paper, sauce.
Oh God, getting smoked out.
What?
Jesus. That's going to pee off the neighbours, isn't it?
It's in my hair.
What? The smell of smoke in your hair?
No, the ashes.
Smoke. The smell of smoke is a great perfume. Are you bored, Luna?
Yes. Can we do some? Can you do something else?
You got the pool?
Well, I'm not really dressed for the occasion, and we
Say
need to
again?
wait half an hour. We need to wait half an hour.
Can I give you a little tip
What?
about filming? First off, if you're going to talk to somebody, don't put the camera right in your face because they want to see you. Second, don't move the camera around like crazy.
Okay.
I'm no expert, but those little hints will serve you well.
Okay.
I've got something you could help me with.
What? What?
Actually, I want to catch your face on this one. You want to make a lizard trap? That's a yes! Awesome, here. We'll make a lizard trap.
Really?
Let me just finish this.
Why don't we try and catch Kiko?
You want to try and catch the dog?
Yes. The majestic dog.
Now, right, get your sister. Give me 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Hey boy. Come on. Let's go get the girls. Kids, come on. Showtime. Right. What do we need? What is the bait we're using? Ham. You sure? Yeah, okay. Can you reach it? You should be able to smell where the ham is. There. How many slices do you reckon?
One.
You want to catch an iguana? A real big one.
No.
Take 2 slices, go on. Oh, okay, we'll finish the pack. Right,
2 packs left.
Luna, ditch the gash. Okay, right. So, next mission is get a bucket. Follow me. Let's go. Get your flip-flops on. Put your foot here, kids.
Let me know.
No? You're too old for Dad's help now, are you? You're not too old, are you, Baba?
No.
Good girl. Oh, strong. I'm the one getting too old for this.
No, you're not.
No? Right, we need to find a bucket, kids. There was a bucket near the fig tree.
I think it could be this tree.
Huh?
I think that's too
Actually, come here.
Okay. And
There it is. No. Don't go over that. Come down here. Right. Okay. So this will do, but have you noticed it's got 2 holes in it? So that's a pretty good thing. The small lizards can escape. We'll get the big mamas.
yeah.
Okay, but there's a little trick you need to know. Put a stone inside, because depending on the side of the lizards, they get quite heavy. And if there's nothing inside it, it will shake to the point at which it could fall on the floor.
But can't they just climb right out?
Ah, you can't, because see, it's nice and smooth, right? But also it's high enough that the lizards find it quite hard to jump out of. Plus the fact, let's put the ham in there before Kiko has a mental breakdown. Yep. Kiko, back off, mate. Kiko, come on, away. Just throw it all in. Just throw it all in. Go for it. Go crazy. Just throw it all in. Okay. Now what we're gonna do?
Just put it next to the wall where the lizards are.
Okay, but where about are you gonna put it?
Where the lizards are.
Yeah, or are you gonna put it in the sun?
In the sun.
I think the best place to probably put it.
No, it's like a dog ball.
Dog ball. Get back, buddy. Come down. Come down. That's it. So we're gonna put it there. So the reason why we're putting it there, see, it's between the shade and the sun, right? Lizards are reptiles, aren't they?
Yeah. It's reptiles.
What's a reptile?
Like snakes.
Really? That's a lesson for a rainy day. Anyway, going back to the point, if they get too hot, they go in the shade. If they get too cold, they come in the sun. So that's a good place to put it, right? And all I've done is, see, I've just put it right next to the wall. Yeah?
Where they come?
So they'll go down the wall, fold in, get trapped. Okay, we'll give it half an hour, an hour.
Like another question.
You got a question about reptiles?
No. Can't they? But this is not smooth, is it?
No, but it's still very hard for the lizards to get out.
How?
Now look. They're all getting there, look. Let's have a look. Come on. See, look at them all. Quite a few, isn't there?
Yeah. What's behind? What's in the Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna go here.
Make sure Kiko doesn't eat the ham. Come on, boy. Down. Come on. Oh, come back in a bit. Hey kids, should we go check out the trap?
Then you just at the pool first.
Okay, let's check the trap and I'll jump in the pool. Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, kids. Oh, you're excited.
Give me a high go.
Come on, let's go. Now, just keep the noise down, all right? I'm not liking they can get out, but...
Well,
okay.
I've already gone.
Okay, hand.
I don't know. What's the pencil?
Up you go. Come on, you can do it.
That's actually a very excellent question.
Come on, both hands. That's it, probably better that way. Okay, come on.
Ow, ow, ow.
You said you were too old, you don't need a hand last time.
I do need a hand now.
Oh, now you need a hand, do you?
Yes, I own.
Come on.
I made it.
Yeah, come on.
Another trap, the trap.
Right, hold on.
There's a lizard.
Can you see anything? Can you see anything? We got one. You think you only got one?
Oh, we got one.
I have a funny feeling.
There's two.
Okay, yeah. Who's going to pick up the stone?
Not me. The oldest. The oldest.
Yeah, come on, the oldest picks up the stone.
It's your channel. You pick it up. Yeah, it's your channel. It's your channel.
Look at that, kids. Oh, fancy a bit? Huh? I'm joking. Come on. I'm joking. Come on. Seriously, come on.
Can we put water on there?
Why do you want to do that? Huh?
Oh, there's four of them.
There's-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're hungry, just eat some noodles.
Okay. So, are we going to eat them?
No.
You can do.
No. Set them
You know, a lot of boys and girls and a lot of families around the world eat them.
free. Set them free.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, now you know how to catch some lizards. I reckon your mum will be well chuffed with this.
I brought you to take a picture so Monday.
Yeah, Mum will be well pressed.
Here you go, take a picture. No, you might get better with a picture.
Nah, that's okay. Right.
Go to the pool now.
Huh?
Can you go to the pool? Drop it over there. Drop the lizards at the pool.
You want him in the pool?
No!
Huh?
No,
Okay. Catch you later, guys.
Goodbye, little t-shirt. Be free, right? Is it pulled the ham?
Let's leave in the ham as well.
Where's the ham?
Just here. Okay.
Okay, let's go to the pool.